Have you been struggling with trying to get a good night's sleep? Well, I have just the thing. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we harness the power of real food and high-quality supplements to help support your health. Today we're going to be making a melatonin-rich bedtime milk. To your blender, add 6 ounces or 3/4 cup of your favorite vanilla unsweetened milk. Next, let's add 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of organic unsweetened Tart cherry juice, which is a natural anti-inflammatory, and it has naturally occurring melatonin, which is the hormone that helps regulate your sleep. 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw honey, preferably that's local, that can also help your body get a good night's sleep from keeping you from waking up hungry in the middle of the night. It also contains serotonin, which is another hormone that helps your body get to sleep. Next, we're going to add in 2 capsules of our turmeric 3D, which is made out of fermented turmeric, ginger, vitamin D, ashwagandha, andrographis, all together help reduce inflammation in the body, and it helps your body better deal with stress, which I think is so important when you're trying to get to sleep at night. I'm just going to take the capsules, open them up, and pour the contents right into the blender. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin organic coconut oil. 50% of coconut oil is made out of lauric acid, which has been linked to having a more restful sleep. And now for some spices. Let's add in 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, which is another anti-inflammatory, and it may also help reduce pain in the body. So again, it's all about trying to get a better night's sleep. This next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, which may help calm down your nerves. This last ingredient is also optional. I have 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, which again can help you relax. Blend up all of your ingredients really well. If you have a high-speed blender, you can just let your blender run for a few minutes, as it will heat up your drink naturally. Otherwise, after blending, heat up your milk in a small pot over low heat until you get the desired temperature. Let's give this bedtime drink a taste. That's really nice. It's got a little bit of a bitter taste, because remember we used that unsweetened cherry juice, so it's not super sweet. But I think if you just sip this at nighttime, maybe an hour or 2 hours before bed, to really let it kind of set in and set in that nighttime ritual so that you can get a better night's sleep, and fingers crossed that I get a better night's sleep. Thanks for joining me today. Take great care of yourself, and remember to join me next week for a new recipe. Cheers to a good night's sleep.